I've been asked about the probate process in the state of Utah. How does probate work in the state of Utah? Probate works by filing a petition to probate the estate of someone who's died. In Utah, we call them the decedent. It's like deceased, but it's the decedent. It's the person who's passed away. The petitioner or the applicant is the one who's filing either the application or the petition to the court to probate the estate. Probate means to prove. Typically when you probate a will, it means you're proving the validity of the will. A person who is assigned in Utah is called the personal representative. In other states they're called the administrator, or they're called the executive, or the executrix if they're female in other states. Here they're called the personal representative. That starts by filing a petition or an application to probate the estate. There are two types in Utah, two types. There's a formal and there's an informal process. The formal requires that we go to court. We have the judge approve and sign off on every step as we go along the probate process. Once the probate petition is approved, there are either letters of administration, if there was no will, or there's letters testamentary signed by the court, if there was a will. Those letters allow the personal representative to administer the estate after someone's passed away. When I say administer the estate, what I mean is they are allowed to marshal all the assets. They are able to pay the debts, if any. If there's any estate taxes, they can pay the estate taxes, although that's rare right now. There are sometimes estate taxes that need to be paid. And then we also need to satisfy any creditor claims. We liquidate all of the accounts. We then pay the money to the beneficiaries or the heirs of the estate, depending on whether there's a will or no will. And then after the bills have been paid, the debts have been paid, the administration of the estate is complete, we then close the estate by either filing a final report, and the inventory is filed first. And then the final report's done later. If it's a formal case, then you do a closing. There's actually a closing of the estate that's done. That's the probate process. It can take as long as 6 months. It can take years. It really depends. It can also be contested where people are fighting. It can be uncontested where people are not fighting. If you have questions about probating an estate in the state of Utah, give me a call. I'm attorney Jeremy Eveland. You can call me at 801-613-1472. There's likely an attorney or a representative who can help you. Thank you for watching.